Welcome to Byte Vision YouTube channel. Tutorial video of Lenovo desktop all-in-one V30a 22IIL upgrading RAM and NVMe SSD. Down the left side you will find screw unlock. Move right side as indicated mark direction. Once you unlock the screw, LED screen panel will pop up. Open the cover gently. Remove the speaker line wire and then detach the speaker parts. Unscrew all the four corner screw. Remove the cover gently and detach the CPU fan power supply cable. Right side you will find NVMe SSD part. Lower down this is RAM slot. Unlock left and right clips. Once unlock RAM will physical pop up. Unscrew the NVMe SSD to detach from the motherboard. Thank you for watching Byte Vision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.